Can you see the video well where you are?
Yeah.
Like right on the camera? Or should I tilt it down more?
It's good.
Can you, I'm gonna, here, come here a sec. I want you to get up in the grocery cart here for a sec. I want you to get, just do it. Stand up here and look through the camera from behind me and tell me if you can see Barley at that height. Or should I tilt it down more?
Because she's really small.
Can you see Barley?
Yeah.
She's in the angle, or I should tilt it down?
You should maybe take it down a little bit more. So I can see her. Good. Because I can really see her head. Good. And take a picture. Take a picture with your phone. Take a picture and send it to Mama.
Well, I'll have a video. Okay, one sec.
No. Take a picture.
Of you.
And I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna do thumbs up.
Okay, look at me. Yeah.
You want to make sure that you check it, and then if you have fun, you can go fast.
Good girl, Barley. Good girl. That's good. That's a start. That's a start.
She's good at it, so I think we can now fight.
Okay, we're just gonna stay in the parking lot right here, okay? Just be careful in the parking lot. Cars, okay? We're not going anywhere far yet until I see how she does.
Can I like get on my bike like that?
Yep. Yep. Okay, Bars, here we go. Ready? Come on, Bars. Good girl. Good girl, Bars. Good girl. That's it. That's it. Watch where you're going, Bubby. Good girl. That's it. Maybe you need more slack, though, eh? Okay, Daff, I'm going to try to give her a little bit more of her leash, okay? Good girl. Hold on, Bars. Okay, Daff, can you stop? Put your bike down. I want you to help. I want your help. Yep. Hold my bike up. Hold on, Barley. Hold my bike up. Okay, whoa, Barley. Whoa.
Everybody.
It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Come on. You're okay. Good girl.
Oh,
Good girl.
she's so scared. I want a heavy bike with the wind, Daddy.
Sorry, Daphne?
It's a heavy bike with the wind.
Well, just do your best. It's okay. Here, I'm going to give you a little more room, okay? I think it's too short for you, sweetie. Barley, sorry. Yeah, that's better. There. Is that better? There, try that. Okay, let's try that now. Now that might be a little bit too much, but we'll see. Okay, Bars, no. Stay over here. Barley? No, over here.
Okay. You stop for me. Come on, try to go faster.
No fast with bars like this. This is just trial. Can you get off the bike for a second? Get it out from her leg for me? Okay, whoa, Barley. It's probably supposed to be closer. It's just that that other one was too close to her. Maybe middle ground. Okay, come on, Bars. Good girl. No, over on this side.
Over on this side.
Over here. Good girl.
There you go. There we go. There we go. Look at her. She just went
This way. Watch where you're going. Go up this way. Over this way, Bars.
This way.
Barley, whoa, over here. Over on the side. That's why they do the rope that way, because if not, it's going to go over like that. This is not as long as the other one, but it's still a little bit it's still not long enough for it to go behind. Good girl. Okay, come on, Burrs. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, over here. Come on, Burrs. Over here. Can you go over here and get her to come out next to me over here? Here, Burrs. Good girl, Barley. She's far enough away from the wheel that she's not going to hit it. Good girl.
There we go. Good girl. Now keep it back.
She wants to be on the other side, but I don't know why.
What?
She wants to be on that other side, but I don't know. I want it over here. Over here, Burrs. Good girl. Good girl, Barley. Good girl, Burrs. That's it. That's it. Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going, Kesh. Good, Burrs. Good. That's it. That's a good length because it's not too long and it's not too short. The other one was too short. Well, that's her normal leash, but I double back. Good girl, Burrs. Awesome. So it's just the other one was too short. She was too close to the wheel, and yeah, her full leash was too long because she was getting then going over and cutting the wheel. This one's just right.
Yeah.
Good, Barley. Good girl. Don't you go near though, because you'll scare her. You stay in front. You stay over here in front of me. Okay? Because she gets scared of you. Go ahead. Go past. Don't scare her. Stay away from her. She's happier when she can see where you are so she doesn't get scared that you're sneaking up on her. Don't focus on when you drive the bike. You focus on where your body's going, okay? Good girl, Barley. Good girl, Barley. We're almost done, Daphne. Yeah, that's good for her. That's all we need is just take time. Good, Burrs. Remember what I said about staying in front so she doesn't get scared of you. You're up in front of me so I can see where you are at all times.
Can you just follow my
You go where you go. Good, Barley.